Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 3-story house with basement for sale. It is located in the quiet and peaceful community of Mayfield, Southfield in the parish of St. Elizabeth. This house was built in 2019. The self-contained basement consists of a 1-bedroom with closet, a bathroom, a living and dining room, and a study room. On the main floor, you will find a double carport, both front and back porches, a living room, a dining area, a kitchen with island, 2 bedrooms with closets, 1 bathroom, a linen closet, a laundry room, and a master bedroom with ensuite bathroom with jacuzzi, shower stall, and closet. The top floor of the building consists of a gazebo and an air tank. The property has a water heater, a water tank, and infrared security cameras, which will require connection by the new owners. The property is close to all major amenities, Lover's Leap, and the town of Junction is close by. The lot size is 0.25 acres, and it comes with mango and breadfruit trees, along with other fruit trees as well. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 280,000 or Jamaican $43 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.